Welcome to this lovely family home in Colle-sur-Loup. I'm Lene from Fine & Country. Please come with me. We are in walking distance to the village of Colle-sur-Loup, and we are in very short distance to Saint-Paul de Vence. And this villa benefits from panoramic views. So from Saint-Paul de Vence and behind there, Nice, the top of Nice actually, all the way out to the sea and the mountains of Cannes. We are in a place with lovely gardens, Mediterranean, fruit trees, so time to go and pick some lemons.